Hi, this is Vijay Raghavan. I have created this poker game with the TDD method, test driven development. I studied Python on the method of developing a project in TDD and implemented this. I completely done this with plain Python language, not even included any external libraries. I created my own packages and wherever I needed and used it. I will show you in few seconds. Basically, you need to understand what is poker. Poker is a cards game which is played between a minimum of two players or max of 5 to 6 players. It is played with cards, which is about a deck is about a 52 cards. There are 4 suits and 13 ranks. The suits are spades, clubs, hearts, and diamonds, and the ranks are 2 to 10, which is about 8 cards. Jack, Queen, King, and Ace 4. Totally, it has 12 cards. Initially, you need to know what is flop card, turn card, and a river card. Basically you will give two basically you will given two card initially, and then the each round you will be given in the first stage you will be given three cards. These are all known to be the community cards which will be placed on the table. First stage you will be given a flop card, then you will be given one card that is known to be a turn card, and the third stage you will be given one card that is known to be a river card. Poker is played such initially the players will be given two cards each, then three cards will be placed on the table. They are known to be the community cards that are known as flop cards. By seeing the cards flop, one can make the bet or just fold and let others to make bet. Then a single card is placed that is known to be a turn card. Then we can make bet or fold. Similarly, at last a single card is placed that is known to be a river card. Same procedure goes on. After all this, whoever has the best set of cards are known to be the winner. The best set of cards is identified by these type of validators. There are 10 different types of cards: royal flush, straight flush, four of a kind, full house, flush, straight, three of a kind, two pair, one pair, high card. If the one who has a royal flush is the known to be the winner. For example, if two players playing, one has a straight and the another one has a one pair, the one who has the straight is known to be the winner because he has the high a good set of cards. Let's now go to the coding part of the section. Initially, I created two folders: poker and test. Poker, which consists of card, deck, game round, hand, and player. The test to have all the same files, but it will be testing for it: test card, deck card, test game round, test hand, test player.py. The card file will have the suits, ranks, and by using the decorator, I have been created all this. Player will be giving the name of the players and how to find the who's the winner of the all the functions have been here. Then I have been created validators. The 10 validators, 5 card, flash card, and all these validators have been imported through init file. These are the pykets or some of the on created by the Visual Studio Code while running it. Now I will show my main file. Yeah, this is the main file. I have imported all the things, all the classes I needed. See, initially I have said that all the packages, whatever I need, I have been created it, and I have initialized two players, and I have started the game round.play. Now let's see. I'm discovering my test. I had totally given 52 tests and all the tests ran correctly, and it gave the status okay. Now I'm running my main file. Vijay and Subhanu played. The winner is Subhanu. Vijay receives 6 of clubs, 6 of hearts. These two are the first two cards are the one which the player initially got, and the next three cards, 9 of spades, 10 of hearts, and Jack of diamonds, is known to be the flop card. Jack of spades is known to be the river card, and the king of hearts is the turn card. Sorry, Jack of Spades is known to be the turn card, and King of Hearts is the river card. Finally, the given card is then known to be the river card. Same as the Subanoo receives 6 of clubs, 6 of hearts, 6 of spades. These three are the These two first two are the initial cards: six of spades, nine of diamonds, and ten of hearts. These three are the flop cards. Jack of diamonds is known to be the turn card. Jack of spades is known to be the river card. Finally, it is calculated, and Subhanu is known to be the winner. Yeah, thank you. Hope you to see you in my on my next project.